There has been a lot of talk that the P20 will ship with 3 cameras, but it's becoming increasingly obvious that only the Pro model will feature this setup. We expect the Huawei P20 Standard and Pro to feature the Kirin 970, which also features in the Mate 10 and is said to deliver 25 times better CPU performance and 50 times greater energy efficiency. The Kirin 970 is an octa-core chip with a 12-core GPU all built on a 10nm process. It's Huawei's first mobile AI computing platform. 5.84 in Full HD plus 2280 by 1080 notch screen. 4GB or 6GB RAM. 64GB or 128GB storage. Liquid 12MP plus 20MP dual camera and back. Front fingerprint scanner. 3320 mAh battery. USB Type-C. Android 8.0 Oreo. Huawei P20 will come in ceramic black or white light.